In this video, we're going to quickly look at what compatible numbers are and how we can use them. When we use estimation in any kind of application problem, but especially ones involving division, it's best for us to round the numbers so that they are compatible numbers. And compatible numbers are numbers that are close in value to the actual given ones, but they make it easy for us to perform mental arithmetic. And so we a lot of times use these in division problems to get two numbers that we can easily divide, because that's the toughest thing we do in estimation is divide. And so it's best for us to use these compatible numbers in our division problems. Let's take a look at a couple of quick problems where we might use compatible numbers. We want to estimate the value of 1,387 divided by 68 using compatible numbers. And so I look at these numbers and I think, okay, 68, that's pretty close to 70. Now, anytime we have a 0 tacked on the end, those are easy to work with. So we're really looking to set it up so that we've got a number that is compatible with 7. Something that easily divides by 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, etc., etc. And so we look at this 1,387, and if we round that off to 1,400, which is pretty darn close to 1,387, we've got one of those numbers that is compatible with the 7. And 14 divided by 7 we can do very easily. That's 20, or 2. And then since we have 2 zeros in this number and 1 in the other, we're going to have 1 left in our... And so we're going to estimate that 1,387 divided by 68 is about 20. Let's see how well that actually worked. 1,387 divided by 68 is 20.397. So we got a really close estimate by using these compatible numbers to approximate this division problem. Okay? Now let's look at this. Estimate the value of 8,764 divided by 28 using compatible numbers. 28 is really close to 30, and so we'll use that. And now 8764, so let's see, we want a compatible number with 3, so like something that easily divides by 3. 3, 6, 9... So if we round this to about 9,000, which is pretty close to it, we're thinking about this problem as 9,000 divided by 30. 9 divided by 3 is 3. We've got 2 more zeros in the first one than we do in the other one, so we're going to have 2 zeros in our answer. So we're going to estimate the value of this to be about 300. Let's see how close we actually were. 8764 divided by 28. 313. So an estimate of 300 is pretty good for that division problem. It gets us very close and in the ballpark. And so that's how we can use compatible numbers, especially in division problems, to help us arrive at reasonable answers. See you next time.